think I threw in a little bit of charcoal into the fire that was already dying.
Tell us what
when I
do.
told Erica that actually I find Nengi and Kid more interesting to watch than herself and Kiddwaya. So
You said this?
yeah, I did. And
Where?
I felt, yeah, we're in the garden. So yeah, maybe it messed with her mind.
Like yesterday on Saturday?
Before then.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why did you say that?
Because it's true.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Lucy may have added fuel to the fire that burns Kiddwaya and Erica's relationship. The housemate and viewers saw Lucy as an abusive and sometimes troublesome housemate, but now she's out. It seems that Lucy was just as great as an instigator like Brighto. In a recent exclusive interview, she spoke about how she may have been the genesis of the continuous quarrels between Kiddwaya and Erica while in the lockdown house. While talking to her interviewer, she said that she had told Erica once in the garden that her relationship with Kiddwaya was boring to watch, and as a viewer, she would rather see Nengi and Kiddwaya than Erica and Kiddwaya. Wow. She also said that she didn't believe Erica's outburst was about Lekon in her words. I don't think it was about Lekon at all, because it all started at the party. She sees Nengi talking to Kid, and then she goes in between, backing Nengi and facing Kid, and talking. Next thing I see her talking to Nengi, but I noticed that Nengi died the matter before it even arose. Me, I already saw this fight coming. Talking about how she used Nengi to poison Kiddwaya and Erica's love affair, she said, I think I threw in a little bit of charcoal into the fire that was already dying when I told Erica that actually I find Nengi and Kid more interesting to watch than herself and Kiddwaya. We were in the garden, so maybe it messed with her mind. I told her like a week ago. I told her that because it is true, have you seen Nengi and Kid play? It is just more fun to watch. So she was like, she's entertaining herself and Kid. And I'm like, nah, for me, you guys are actually boring. What I like to watch, if I was a viewer, would be Kid and Nengi. So she just kept quiet. When she said the housemate underrated her, she was not joking, because what she said to Erica is enough to set anyone off. And it most likely planted a bad seed about Kiddwaya's relationship with Nengi in the house. She finalized her interview by saying that she knew if Nengi wanted Kiddwaya, she would have gotten him, and Erica did not have a chance against her. Do you agree with Lucy on this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.